All right, this is week 32. Believe it or not, we're about 14 days away from doing our performance in the iCat Cube. So this week when I was out, we had a little bit of a lab tour. So we have Ariana here with her vocalist in the background getting acclimated to what these puppets look like, and also Dean Liu was in the background. So animatronics are coming alive, and you can see Dungsu here is building out from our buck converter all the way up to a board that he's made from scratch to bypass some of the burnt out features of our upper board. So some of the board is communicating with a feather board via Wi-Fi, or through Unreal. So Unreal is triggering all this in real time, and you can start to see almost all of them are working. I think there's only 2 or 3 working right now, but the lights are, or 3, 4? All right, 4 of them working, and then the lights are being triggered at the same time. So that was a big deal to get working. So Jason and Matt, and also Dungsu have been working on this, and also Matthew from Georgia Tech has also been key to figuring out the code to get this to work, and also trying to troubleshoot all the power issues. So our servos that we picked, or I picked out, just were drawing too much voltage, and we had some issues. So anyways, they're getting a little bit less bouncy, but hopefully we'll start to work on getting them to smooth out on their animation. And really quickly, this is a broken face that we had, and we're putting scars on them. So instead of trying to hide it with paint, we're just gonna add these felt cracks on it. Anyways, this is also getting prepped for the bases of the scrim. So painting the bases. So these were CNC'd and then epoxied and also drilled to make them really strong. And also these are the inner slats of the scrim. So you can see that these are also going to be painted. So these will probably double-sided tape, and then we'll slap them in. So when we start to tighten them, the bolts aren't hitting each other. So we'll show you a little bit later what that looks like. So anyways, I just had a whole bunch of scrap, just kind of keep these off the ground so they can dry properly. So Sydney did a great job patiently painting these. Probably was a mess, I imagine, with black paint and a small space. All right. So here are the results. Let's see, probably hours worth of painting, and that's what we have so far. That's it for this week.